How to share a file on Microsoft OneDrive to Gmail. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to OneDrive. Now this is the home page. Choose the file that you want to share. I'm gonna choose this one. Now click on those three dots right here and click on the share option, the first one, and scroll down until you find the Gmail option right here. As you can see, click on it and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.